Have you ever heard of the Myers-Briggs personality test? It's this super interesting way to figure out how your mind works, how you think, act, and get your energy. There are 16 different personality types, and today we're zeroing in on one called ISTJ. Think of the characters from your favorite movies and TV shows. ISTJs are the ones who are super reliable, always follow the rules, and get the job done no matter what. They're like the backbone of the team. So if you've ever wondered what kind of animal shares those same ISTJ traits, well, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and discover which incredible animals embody that ISTJ spirit. Let's start with the Dependable Beaver. These busy creatures are the ultimate planners. Just think about their dams and lodges. Those are seriously complex structures that take organization, planning, and a whole lot of hard work. Beavers are incredibly practical too. They don't waste time on frilly activities. They focus on what they need to do to build the best homes and find the perfect food. Plus, have you ever seen a beaver slack off? Nope, they're always working toward their goals. The definition of focus and dedication. Don't you think the hardworking beaver sounds a bit like an ISTJ? They're reliable, get stuff done, and put practicality first. Let's explore another awesome animal that definitely shares those ISTJ traits. Let's talk about the incredible ant. These tiny insects are like the ultimate ISTJ workers. They're focused, organized, and they never seem to rest. Think of an anthill. It's a complex super city with tunnels, rooms, and everyone working together, each ant with a specific job. That sounds like some serious ISTJ level planning to me. Ants are also super focused. They don't get distracted by fun along the way. They're all about getting the job done. And talk about dedication. Ants work tirelessly until their mission is complete, even if it means carrying something way bigger than themselves. So what do you think? Do you see some ISTJ qualities in these hardworking ants? Let's dive into the next amazing animal. Think about the Majestic Owl. These birds of prey are the masters of observation and logic. Unlike other birds that might flit around excitedly, owls are calm, focused, and methodical. They quietly observe their surroundings with incredible detail, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. That ability to analyze the situation and act decisively is definitely an ISTJ quality. Owls are also incredibly dedicated to their duties. As parents, they'll protect their nest fiercely and work tirelessly to provide for their young. That commitment to family and responsibility is something an ISTJ would totally understand. Let's not forget the loyal and hardworking honeybee. Honeybees are all about the community and getting the job done the right way. Each bee has a specific role within the hive, and they all work tirelessly with unbelievable organization and dedication. It takes a whole lot of planning to build that perfect honeycomb, and they're always working toward that common goal. They're super practical and logical too. A honeybee doesn't waste energy on pointless buzzing. Every action is calculated for maximum efficiency. That's pure ISTJ thinking. So, doesn't the busy and diligent honeybee remind you a bit of your ISTJ friends? Let's talk about the often underestimated goat. Now, at first glance, a goat might seem like a wild card, but think about it. Goats are super adaptable and practical. They survive in tough environments, finding food where others might see nothing. That resourcefulness and ability to work with what they have is definitely an ISTJ trait. Plus, have you ever seen a goat give up? Nope. They're incredibly stubborn and determined, just like ISTJs when they've set their mind to something. Goats are focused on the task at hand, even if that means scaling a ridiculously steep cliff. Let's not underestimate their intelligence. Goats can figure out complex puzzles and remember things for a long time. That's the kind of logical thinking and problem solving that an ISTJ would appreciate. So while a goat might not be the first animal you think of, its focus, practicality, and determination definitely make it a contender for the most ISTJ animal spirit. Think about the steadfast ox. Oxen have been used for centuries to help with farming and heavy lifting. They're strong, dependable, and hardworking to the core. Sounds a lot like an ISTJ, doesn't it? Oxen are incredibly focused on their tasks, ignoring distractions and steadily moving towards their goal. That unwavering determination is something ISTJs definitely understand. They're also incredibly practical. Oxen don't waste energy on pointless excitement. They put their heads down and get the job done. That efficient, no-nonsense attitude is pure ISTJ energy. Plus, oxen are often team players. They work in pairs, pulling together with incredible coordination to get things done. That dedication to the team effort is another ISTJ quality. So, what do you think? Does the powerful and practical ox embody some of that ISTJ spirit? Let's talk about the often overlooked tortoise. Tortoises might be slow, but they're also incredibly steady and reliable. That sense of consistency and always moving forward no matter the pace is something ISTJs totally get. Tortoises are focused and practical too. They don't get sidetracked by shiny things or bursts of excitement. They have a goal, and they steadily work towards it. And if there's an obstacle in the way, a tortoise will find a way around, over, or under. They're persistent just like an ISTJ. Lastly, it's almost impossible to rush a tortoise. They take their time, analyze the situation, and make measured decisions. That's the kind of logical and methodical approach that mirrors ISTJ thinking. So, what do you think? Does the slow and steady tortoise hold some surprising ISTJ qualities as well? Think about the majestic and solitary wolf. Wolves are incredibly intelligent and strategic. They understand the importance of hierarchy and organization within their pack, similar to an ISTJ's appreciation for structure. A wolf pack works together with precise roles and responsibilities, ensuring their survival. That coordinated effort with clear objectives is very ISTJ-like. Wolves are fiercely loyal and protective of their own, a strong sense of duty that resonates with ISTJs. They're also incredibly focused hunters, using their senses and logic to track prey and plan the best course of action. So, don't you see the parallels between the solitary but determined wolf and those ISTJ traits? So from beavers to wolves, we've seen how the animal kingdom is full of creatures that share those awesome ISTJ traits. Whether it's practicality, dedication, organization, or logical thinking, these animals remind us why ISTJ personalities are so valued. Think about it. If you're ever feeling overwhelmed by a task, channel your inner beaver and break it down into manageable steps. Or if you're facing a tricky problem, be like the owl and carefully observe all the details before making a plan. And let's not forget that ISTJ dedication. If you feel like giving up, think of the tireless honeybee or the persistent goat and keep pushing through. The next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the incredible animals around you. They might just teach you a thing or two about being your best ISTJ self. Did you have a favorite animal from our list today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun personality explorations.